Meaning of end result.
End result.
End result.
End result.
End result. End result refers to the final outcome or conclusion of a process or activity. It represents the ultimate goal that one intends to achieve after completing all the necessary steps involved in a particular task. For instance, in a manufacturing process, the end result would be the finished product that is ready for sale and distribution. In sports, end result refers to the final score at the end of a game or match. Generally, end result signifies the consequence of completing a specific endeavor or goal and serves as the ultimate gauge of its success or failure.